Today we're featuring a 2016 Honda Accord EXL. It's champagne metallic in color. Alright, it is certified. Okay, it's got 36,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Alright, but it does have the turn signals in the mirrors. Just a little nick right here of paint right here on the side mirror, driver's side. It's got the turn signals there. Alright, nice chrome door handles with the lock unlock button. Driver's side of the vehicle look good. It is equipped with the backup rear view camera. Okay, make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks like it's in good shape. It does have your blind spot monitoring camera there, and I'll show you that in a second. It is equipped with the sunroof as well. You got your alloy wheels. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the beige door panels, black insert here, memory seats, power locks, power windows, power driver's seat, beige leather with the perforated insert. Okay, leather's in good shape. It does have the nice hard rubber floor mats there. 2 keyless entry key fobs with remote start. Passenger seat leather's in good shape. No problem there. Go ahead and pan out a little bit and give you a shot of the sunroof. Alright, it is an automatic. It does have heated seats, push button start, dual climate controls. Alright, your rear view camera and the blind spot monitoring camera will be right there, and I'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel with audio controls and Bluetooth. Alright, and then there's your blind spot monitor button there. I'm going to show you that shortly. Alright, let's go ahead and check out your mileage. It's got 36,289 miles on it. Now that we've got it started up here, I'll go ahead and show you your display screens. Alright, this one right here will be your home screen, your AM FM radio. Okay, and there's your home screen there. This one up here shows you trip, mileage, what station you're on, but it also has your blind spot monitoring button display. Okay, and I'll go ahead and engage that for you there, and what that does is it shows you video of your blind spot. Very nice safety feature to have. Okay, it's easily turned on and off, and it also works with the turn signals. Okay, go ahead and engage your backup camera. Alright, AC's been on for about 5 minutes now. Everything blowing nice and cold with that. Let's go ahead and step out and take a look at the back seat and your trunk space. Door panel looks good. It also has the rubber floor mats back here in the back seat as well, so that's a nice feature to have. Okay, but the back seat leather is in great shape. No problems, not even a wrinkle in the leather. Okay, very well taken care of. All right, it's got your convenient cup holders there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Okay, but as you can see, this thing's well taken care of. Nice certified Honda Accord right here, EXL. Let's check out your trunk space. Okay, it also has the hard shell in here, the protecting mat. Okay, but I'll step to the side. You can really see the depth back there. Everything well taken care of. Let's take a look at your passenger seat right quick. Okay, and it is the power passenger seat. But as you can see, the leather's in phenomenal shape. The whole car is, for that matter. Alright, what we got here? We got 17-inch alloys. Right, almost a brand new set of tires. Plenty of tread left on them. Just to recap, we got a 2016 Honda Accord EXL. It's a certified unit, clean Carfax, one owner. It's got 36,000 miles on it. This thing's been taken well taken care of inside and out. Okay, so come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.